Ayan, mabuhay sa inyo lahat. Today we're gonna watch an amazing video by Becoming Filipino. And I think he lives in Mindanao. It looks amazing, the places that he's visiting. And I just wish that the lockdown will be over soon so we can go out again and show you some of these amazing places all around the Philippines. Now, what he's doing today is going out to an unbelievable, I've never seen anything like this. It's a waterfall. It's just so unbelievable. It's almost like it's the real Garden of Eden. Is it here in the Philippines? Let's have a look, guys. Ready?
Don't even answer me. Oh man, Grabby.
I will answer you maguluto.
That was ridiculous. Yeah.
Wow, look at how beautiful it is there, no? It looks so amazing in that place.
Well, we're working our way down the steps now, but I love the fresh air.
Yeah.
I love this cool environment. It's actually nicer right now, man. But dati medyo like liwanag, really mainit.
Oo nga.
Ngayon, mas chilled. It's
Mas
actually
chilled.
this is a really refreshing way to wake up in the morning. Woo!
Okay, so Becoming Filipino, marunong siya mag-Tagalog, no? Oo, magaling. So, of course, it's a beautiful landscape. Just wish we could go there every day and just enjoy it just like Becoming Filipino can. Alright, let's go and see what he sees out there. Ganda talaga, grabe, no? It is so beautiful. Look at that. Is that that's some kind of a trail that they made? Yep, there's the stairs. Grabe. Wow, I'm just blown away. It is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, okay, there's the water. Ayan, yan. Ganda, look at the river, huh? And all the trees. It's so pristine, huh? It's like nobody lives around there. No?
Good luck to us later.
Ano yan?
Finish swimming.
Ano yan?
Good luck to us.
Good luck to them.
Madali pababa, but when we go up there later, good luck.
Totoo
Tinood.
naman yun eh.
Totoan. Totoan. Tinood. That means truth, right? Truth. Messiah,
Totoo.
tinood.
Tinuod.
Totoan.
Okay.
Tagalog, totoan. No?
Oo, totoo. Wow, I learned my first Bisaya word, huh? Look at the river. That is impressive, man. You can hear it. You hear it, guys? That's the force of nature, huh? That is so unbelievable. Wow. It's really no wonder that so many tourists are coming to the Philippines. And also, hey, if you're a Filipino, why not explore the Philippines? You don't have to go to other countries to see amazing things. There are so many things to see in the Philippines. Unbelievable nature all over the Philippines.
Woo!
Woo!
Oh my gosh, that's cold.
It's actually inside the river, no?
Grabby.
They're on the edge.
There's a lot of water this morning.
Ah, ang ganda talaga, no? There is a rope you can hold on to. Okay. So it's like a trail, huh? Unbelievable sights. And I've really seen nature all over the world, I can tell you that. Whether it's in the US, in China, in everywhere basically I've been, I've seen some amazing nature, but this is some of the most impressive I've ever seen in my life. Hello, Becoming Filipino, how are you? Ah, it's not him, it's somebody else. The Filipino down there. Wow, look at that. Where would you find something like this? The only place I've seen something like this is in Canada. In Canada, I've seen something like this, but not nearly as beautiful as that. That is impressive. Unbelievable nature in the Philippines, huh? Kapang ganda talaga, no? If you ever been there, please leave me a comment below. I want to know how many's actually been there. Okay. There's a few other people there in the back, huh?
This is just majestic.
Yes.
What a place to wake up. There's like a steam coming from the water because it's moving so fast. Rainy season is awesome in the Philippines. Because you can look at waterfalls just powerful and flowing. Woo!
Woo! He's so happy. I understand him, and if you're just like have the time to go around like this, it's amazing.
Suyako, Inget.
Hey, that's nice just to lie there in a hammock right at the waterfalls, huh? What an experience it must be. What an experience. This is unbelievable. I have never seen anything like that my entire life. Ligo na?
Hindi ako magliligo.
Hindi. Ligo siya doon daw.
Ligo! Malamig!
Malamig pero okay lang. Kaya mo. Kaya.
Oo, kaya niya. Ligo siya din? Oo nga. It looks like it. Come on, go. You can do it. Siguro malamig talaga, no? One, two, three, go! Oh, that is unbelievable.
Sakto! Sakto!
Sakto.
That's how you wake up in the morning! Woo! Yes! Woo!
That's crazy. Look at how far it is. I mean, it's not just one waterfall, huh? Meron pagkain din eh. Wow.
Baon! Baon!
Oo, baon.
Baon!
Wow, did you see how wide the waterfall is? This is just incredible. I mean, that's gotta be one of the largest I've ever seen. I've never seen, I mean, yeah, you see the waterfalls in Canada and the US, you know, you see the Niagara Falls, which is humongous, but it's a different style and it's a different way. There's too much water coming down, so you can't really get close to Niagara and many other places. But this place, I mean, there's a lot of water, but you can actually go right up to it and ligo doon, huh? That's just incredible. Unbelievable.
Kumusta mong first ligo dito sa Mindanao?
Mindanao yun eh. Ligo ulit.
Yes!
I cannot believe how big it is, huh? Unbelievable. I don't even know what to say. It's just, I'm stunned. I'm amazed at this. I mean, look, it's going the whole way around, huh? It's like, wow. Now you know why Now you know why foreigners come to the Philippines, to see things like this. Incredible. That must be the Garden of Eden, guys.
Wow, you can see why Asik Falls is a must visit. It's
Asik
a waterfall
Falls.
that literally flows out of the side of this big green curtain.
Okay. Wow.
That's a natural wonder, and the water's just so powerful today. Go Mindanao! Yes.
Go Mindanao!
Oh, there's a lot of tourists. Chennai? Everybody's from Chennai? Or no? Where are you guys from? Oh, cool. I've been to India twice before. Let's do a selfie. Join me.
So all these people are from India, spending time in Mindanao, huh? As tourists, that's incredible. I mean, see, that's what I'm telling you. You don't have to go to other countries. So many tourists are coming to the Philippines. There must be a reason for it. And it's the beauty of the nature here. Wow. Lockdown, please be over so I can go to Mindanao. A lot of people have been inviting me to Mindanao. I really want to go there. I want to see the breadbasket of the Philippines.
We're good. Okay. This is a very good bridge because it's not falling. This is a big group of people from India, but they're staying in Davao.
They're staying in Davao. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Amazing, huh?
Alright, we gotta get up the bridge. Too many of us.
Yeah. Just for safety, right?
Alright, this is Team India in North Cotabato. What's up, guys?
North Cotabato.
And I'm definitely gonna put them on YouTube. That's on. Yes. Nice one. Take care. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. For sure. Woo! Oh, hello. Alright, we're having a
Where are
bridge
these guys
party.
from?
Sige.
Selfie. Malaysians or Indonesians maybe, no? So just like Manny Pinol says, you need to go to Mindanao. It is an amazing place, guys.
Wow, okay. Headed up the stairs to do.
Ayun.
Back to the top.
Mahirap talaga yun eh. Magakyat, no?
Those guys are from India. It's crazy how YouTube and social media.
Yes.
I walked up to them and went, hey, I'm Kulas. They're like, no, you're Kyle Jennerman. I was like, what? Like, yeah, we watch you on YouTube. It's a crazy
Nice.
world, man.
Right.
Mas kilala nila yung totoong pangalan mo, your real name. Not the Pinoy, the Kulas, no?
That's so weird.
Yeah.
Everyone calls me Kulas. Alright. Woo!
That's
Start
funny,
the run
huh?
up. But I'm gonna probably get tired fast. Up we go.
Okay. That is one river system.
My backpack.
Ano yan?
Ano?
My tummy is heavier than my backpack. Kaya ako hinihingal. You understand?
Yes, of course.
Oh, Marunong. Kabalo, Marunong. Oh, sakto.
Wow. Yeah, but there's so many plantations in Mindanao, huh? I keep seeing the posts of Manny Pinol, and there's so much food. It's unbelievable. It's incredible.
Back at base camp. I actually consider this perfect conditions because I'm not even sweating walking up the hill.
Yeah.
It's just cool.
Wow.
Very nice environment. The water's really flowing hard in rainy season.
It's amazing.
Asik kind of means like mist.
Ah, okay.
And as you can see down there, with the water coming through the green vegetation, that's exactly what's happening. So
Right.
back to motors, coffee,
Okay.
power on.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna have my coffee too. So I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching. And guys, I hope to see you very soon in Mindanao. As soon as the lockdown is over, I'm gonna go and visit. I promise. All right. So why don't you leave me a comment below? Tell me what should I see in Mindanao. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and of course the bell button so you'll be notified when we have new videos for you.